Hello, what's your good name?
Hi, I'm Kranti.
So, can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah, I'm Kranti, working as a business officer here in Intrix Innovations. So I got an invitation for to attend this talent acquisition conclave. So I came here to meet all the business tycoons here, and it's a privilege to attend this meeting. And I got a very good knowledge and here to attend this meeting and how the talent acquisition will work and how to source the candidates and what are the problems that we are facing. So what are the the problem solving statements. So everything that I'm getting here. So yeah, it's a wonderful meeting with all of you.
Yeah, I want to know how is your journey like your education and all.
Yeah. So I came from like a village background. So it's a very unknown village to everybody. But after done with the BBA graduation, so I joined as a sales executive, and after that I got a promotion as into the manager, and now I'm handling the entire organization as a business officer. So it's a wonderful journey. I say that in a sales we have ups and downs, but the thing is when we are struggling, and definitely we can expect the growth. So that I believe, yeah, this is all about me.
So, so in future, what are the things you want to accomplish or something you wanted to give a try or something?
So actually, currently I'm working in a startup organization. So I my dreams and everything that belongs to this organization. So I want to build that organization as strong as the business leaders how they are doing. So that is my motto, and that is the main reason to come here to understand the what the people knowledge here, and so that too I can grab it and I can also helpful to my organization.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.